Today in the livestock market, cattle did surge up. Those higher cash prices did lift the futures. They finally broke out of the channel that they had been in for a long time. We got up to 138.8 today and rising. I think the slowdown in the grain rally really took the cap off the beef complex and was able to let it move up a little bit. We've got the CVAL at 13.2%. And the market looks really strong today. Feeders also did rebound. That demand is strong, and the packers did step up to raise their bids, but more is going to be needed on the feeder side to really reverse the trend. The grain prices are going to be a big factor. If they remain steady and just move sideways, that might give the beef complex a chance to kind of recover some of the losses that they've experienced over the past couple of months. So that's just something to watch as we go forward. But today, beef complex is doing very well. Not so much for the hogs. The hogs today were lower. The futures to cash premium seems to be just maybe a little bit too much right now. So the futures did give back all of the gains from Monday. And perhaps maybe we've reached a little bit of an equilibrium for the pork market for now. It has been relatively choppy over the last number of weeks. Time will tell, but I think it could be a good indicator that maybe we've finally reached a high point here. That being said, tight supplies still exist, so all those things are still pretty positive, but it just depends if we get buyers coming back in. Right now, the CVAL is down just 0.5% to 29.1%. So that's something to watch going forward. I think that even though we're a little bit lower, the pork prices are still very strong, and futures are still strong overall and still at a pretty high price historically, certainly right now.